What's going on, everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to add cinematic bars to your video in Davinci Resolve. First thing first, you can go to timeline, output blanking, choose 2.39, click it, and it will add those cinematic bars to your whole video. But if you want to add them to only a specific part of the video, this is not going to work. So let me reset it real quick. And to add to a specific part of your video, all you have to do is just go Effects Library, Effects, and grab Adjustment Clip. Drop it on your timeline, make sure it's on top of all the clips that you want those bars to be on. Select it, go Inspector, and then go to Cropping. And you can crop top and bottom. I edit in 1080p, so 131 works perfect for me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.